3, go.
Yo, man, we in Nigeria, 2023.
So make sure you take care for your mom, your dad, and your sister.
No, I'm actually not eating. Hey. Yeah, that's I'm on the cut, bro. What is that? Is that whipped cream? Whipped cream? Oh, you put it in your mouth? I just put it straight in my mouth. How many costs? Like, oh, that's the cake. Anyway. Yeah.
Look at the young.
Oh no, he got it off the cake.
Ah, yo!
Yeah, man. You eat
Yes, hey. Hey, Jesus. I did one camera shot.
I'm wishing happy kids.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Pussy fade. You get it out? It's not like the water. Chisom. Yeah, that bucket's like Chikanso's size.
The bucket heavier than her, bro.
Chikanso. Yo, the bucket walking her.
Yo, those are the NPCs, bro. They're literally not real. She's just carrying it. Where's she carrying the bucket to?
Embrace. Embrace the wave. We're in Nigeria.
There's no way that t-shirt really fits me like the number.
The Nike fitted.
What's up?
Amanda, say what's up to the cam. Say hi. Hey. Not you, Chikansa. Miss Shauna. Hey, what? Oh. Hey. Bro, she's just spraying herself with water, bro.
Let's go to sleep.
Yes.
I go sleep, brother, man.